Electrostatic motor. No magnet. No electromagnet. Ngayon ay 14 August 2025. Thursday. Ito, mag-alas 2 na. Hapon na. Load ng YouTube. Magnetic coils. Standard design. Shimotive. Ito, electrostatic field. Tama, repel charge. Repelling charges. Electrostatic charge. Meron electric current. Electrostatic motor works. Next big shift, electric motor design and production, manufacturing. Electrostatic motor.